Hey lovies, let's make Marry Me chicken pasta Cajun style. Chop up 2 bell peppers, half an onion, and organic chicken breast. Season with garlic powder, complete in Cajun. In a pot, add some olive oil, your chicken, and lime juice and cook until well done. Add in some tomato paste, 1 can of coconut cream, your chicken, boiled pasta, provolone cheese, and mix well. Add some to a bowl and voila, you have Marry Me Cajun chicken pasta. Where is my ring at, okay? Because this pasta is definitely proposal worthy. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more content from me. Stay blessed.